Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this tuna and egg omelette. Let's get started! Let's prepare 3 eggs. Add the milk, salt and black pepper, and beat it. Heat up a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Pour the egg and let it set for 1 minute. Tilt the pan to let the uncooked egg flow to the edge of the pan. Place the tuna on top of the egg. Sprinkle with some cilantro and season with spicy garlic or any seasoning of your choice. Cover and simmer this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, wow, look at that! Now turn off the heat and fold the omelette. And transfer this on a plate. It's time to try our tuna and egg omelette. Look at this, guys. It's good. I love this tuna and egg omelette combination. What a yummy brunch. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!